I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Regulating solar heat and lowering interior temperatures, in a house or vehicle for example, could make extreme temperatures much easier to tolerate and even help boost environmental sustainability. And it could soon be possible thanks to radiative cooling. Engineers from the Pohang University of Science and Technology in South Korea, working collaboratively with a team from Korea University, have developed a transparent cooling film based on radiative cooling, a technique that allows heat to be naturally released and surfaces cooled without external power. Integrating this cooling effect in transparent films, like on glass, has been a challenge in the past because they typically transmit solar heat themselves. The new cooling film features 3 layers: a Bragg mirror, which reflects near-infrared light, a window screen protector made of a perforated silver substrate, and a silicon-based polydimethylsiloxane coating. This combination dissipates heat while maintaining the film's transparency and visibility, and decreasing energy consumption. The researchers say their new technology is already showing potential for environmental applications and architecture. Imaging deep into the brain can provide clearer understanding of neuronal activity, but doing so exponentially decreases the overall field of view. Now, new technology is on track to overcome that obstacle. Developed by a team at Cornell University, the DEEPscope microscope facilitates the monitoring of wide-field neuronal activity in the deepest cortical layers and hippocampus of the brain, as proven in mouse models and zebrafish. In their work, the researchers have significantly enhanced the fluorescent signal generation efficiency of three-photon microscopy, achieving an imaging field in the deepest cortical layers with cellular resolution that was 2 orders of magnitude larger than with conventional three-photon microscopes. DEEPscope incorporates a multi-beam scanning approach in which a single beam is split into multiple smaller beamlets to monitor neural activity, and an adaptive excitation module that focuses laser pulses only on the target imaging area, allowing precise control of laser energy distribution and further reducing required laser power. The team says the technology can be easily integrated into existing multi-photon microscopes and could become a new tool not only for neuroscience, but other biomedical research as well. 2025 is fast approaching. That means the SPIE Prism Awards are just around the corner, and the finalists have recently been announced. The annual awards, marking their 17th year in 2025, honor innovative products from companies across the photonics industry in areas like sensors, imaging, lasers, optical materials, and quantum technologies. The Prism Awards also feature the Startup Challenge, and for the 2nd year, the Catalyst Award, which recognizes for-profit companies that create specific social or environmentally focused programs. Among the 2025 Prism Award finalists are Inspectra Health, Delta Life Science, and Norlace in the biomedical category. In the cameras and imaging systems category are products by Eoptic, Nil Technology, and Thor Labs. N2 Photonics, Scantinel Photonics, and Thor Labs are finalists in the lasers category, while LightPath Technologies, Omega Optical, and Zolo have been named in the optical materials and components group. And finalists in the quantum technologies category include Chi-3 Photonics Technologies, Leonardo DRS Daylight Solutions, and Cunect. The awards in all categories will be handed out during SPIE's Photonics West in January. Congratulations and good luck to all of the finalists. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And check out our Following the Photons podcast too for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.